Ciao, my name is Rossella. I'm Italian and I have created this channel to help you improve your Italian and become fluent and confident at it. If this is your aim, subscribe to my channel to be the first to see my next output. Each video will include revision time, memo time, and quick and fun games so you can practice your knowledge. Today, I'm going to talk about the verb to be, verbo essere. Io sono, tu sei, egli è, noi siamo, voi siete, essi sono. Repeat with me. Io sono, tu sei, egli è, noi siamo, voi siete, essi sono. In Italian, the verb contains already the subject because every subject has a different verb form, so we can't confuse as in English, you know. We don't need the subject, but in school we learn it with the subject, so it's good to have in mind io sono, tu sei, egli è, noi siamo, voi siete, essi sono. So let's repeat it one more time together. Io sono, tu sei, egli è, noi siamo, voi siete, essi sono. Let me give you some examples of phrases in which we can find the verb to be. Sono una persona socievole. Sei proprio un maleducato. È una persona per bene. Siamo una bella coppia. Siete andati al mare ieri? Sono stufi di non poter uscire. Now, let's repeat the verb to be one more time. And if you can this time, don't look at the screen. Io sono, tu sei, egli è, noi siamo, voi siete, essi sono. Pause the video and off you go. One more time. Io sono, tu sei, egli è, noi siamo, voi siete, essi sono. Done? Brilliant! Il verbo essere can be also combined with the past form of another verb. This is to describe an action that took place in the recent past. For example, sono andato a fare la spesa. This would be this morning or yesterday, not last year. I went shopping. Last year I went shopping, not I have been. I have gone shopping last year. Sei stato proprio bravo. È rimasto in casa per mesi. Siamo subito corsi in aiuto. Siete riusciti a farmi una bella sorpresa. Sono caduti sul terrazzo. Now, let's practice again. Say it aloud without looking, and this time try to get faster. I repeat it first. Io sono, tu sei, egli è, noi siamo, voi siete, essi sono. Now pause the video and repeat it as many times as you can. The more you repeat it, the more fluent you will become. One last time, very, very quick. Io sono, tu sei, egli è, noi siamo, voi siete, essi sono. Ideally, if you can say it at this speed, this means that your brain does not need to think to combine the subject with the verb, and this will make your sentences very fluent. So, try to get to this stage. Io sono, tu sei, egli è, noi siamo, voi siete, essi sono. Try again. Could you do it? If not today, try again tomorrow and watch this video as many times as you want. Go back to the beginning again and practice again, reciting the verb to be again and again, over and over, so you can say it as good as me. Now, time for games. The game I made up today is about making a meaningful sentence, combining these words in the correct order. First thing, we need to detect the verb, which is in this case sono. Now, sono could be io, first person singular, or essi, third plural person. So, in this case, after the verb to be, we want to find an adjective or a past form of a verb. Within these words, I could see only an adjective, deluso. So that would be sono deluso, and then we need an object of this disappointment, which is comportamento, behavior. So, dal is just the collocation. So, sono deluso dal comportamento. Of whom? Yours, tuo. So, sono deluso dal tuo comportamento. And proprio is to reinforce this concept of being disappointed. I'm very disappointed by your behavior. So, sono proprio deluso dal tuo comportamento. Was it easy? Let's have another go. Now, try to do the same. Find the verb, see if there is an adjective or another verb to accompany it, and then combine the rest of the phrase in a meaningful way. Pause the video, have a go, and I'll give you the solution in a second. Off you go. Okay, so in this case, the verb is sei, tu sei, you. So sei. Then we have, clearly, we don't have any verbs, but we have an adjective, bella, beautiful. Oh, okay, so bella, sei bella. Then we put other complements to say what makes this person beautiful. Vestito, so sei bella con questo vestito stasera. Davvero is just to reinforce that this person is beautiful. So, sei davvero bella con questo vestito stasera. Another interesting bit is the fact that stasera could be put in different places in this sentence. For example, stasera sei davvero bella con questo vestito. O sei davvero bella stasera con questo vestito. It depends on what you want to emphasize, really. Does it make sense? Shall we move on to the next one? Off we go. Pause the video, check the verbs first, and the rest of the complements. Off you go. So in this case, we have three verbs, rimborsati, stati, and siamo. So in this case, the verb to be is followed by another verb in the past. So, siamo stati rimborsati, which is the past form of being refunded. So, we have been refunded. Siamo stati rimborsati molto velocemente, very quickly. Good for you. Okay, so let's have another go to the verb to be, and hopefully this time you'll be quicker. Io sono, tu sei, egli è, noi siamo, voi siete, essi sono. Try again. Was it better? Why not to try this one? Io sono, tu sei, egli è, noi siamo, voi siete, essi sono. If you can say it at this speed, that's brilliant. In any case, my last tip today is try to repeat the verb to be as many times as you can and make up all the sentences that you can create. And I'm sure that you will feel more confident. Being able to speak in another language is also about feeling comfortable. And to feel comfortable, your ears must familiarize with the sound of it. So the more you repeat it, the better you will become. Per oggi è tutto. Thank you for liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can have many more chances to improve your Italian. Speaking about that, click on the link below to practice the verb to have, verbo avere. Ciao ciao!